Hello friends, today we will learn about dropshipping. There is a lot of money in dropshipping. First of all, I will recommend you to Google and open some sites which contains many information about the dropshipping. So I will type uh, earn money from dropshipping in USA. You can see there is a lot of information about dropshipping. So I will open how to make money dropshipping in 2022, this website.
Yes.
After this, you can see start a dropshipping business in is appealing for any reasons. You don't have to worry about inventory management, you don't have to worry about product fulfillment, and unfortunately it's not that simple. And with any business model that sounds too good to be true, there are always gotchas. Most people try to open up a dropship shop expecting it to be easy, but the reality, there's more to it than you think. In theory, dropshipping business sounds like a great idea. First of all, what is dropshipping? You can see dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where an online store does not carry inventory for the products it sells. When an order is made, the online store purchases the products from the wholesale supplier who then ships the order directly to the end customer. Recently, May 9 and 11-year-old kids launched their own dropshipped e-commerce store selling internship t-shirts for only $2.95. You can check out their shop over at kidincharge.com. In dropshipping, is dropshipping legal? Yes, dropshipping is legal